Recently, Suzhou Pharma Machinery welcomed a group of clients who were seeking high-quality cleanroom suppliers. Both sides engaged in in-depth discussions regarding the demands for cleanroom construction. During the negotiation, our meticulously crafted cleanroom sample room served as a crucial window to showcase its core strength. From core equipment to basic building materials, every detail demonstrated our pursuit of the ultimate quality in clean engineering, which also filled the clients with anticipation for potential cooperation. Apart from high-quality products, our extensive experience in cleanroom engineering has been the key to winning customer trust. Since our establishment, we have successfully completed over 500 cleanroom projects, with our presence spanning across multiple countries and regions worldwide, covering industries such as electronics, medicine, food, pharmaceutical, and more. From cleanrooms in Southeast Asia, to pharmaceutical GMP cleanrooms in Europe, and to medical filling and packaging lines in Africa. Our engineering team, with professional skills and efficient services, has accomplished one challenging project after another.